Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Canva permission denied error when editing design. This prevents editing shared designs, so let's get started. First of all, ensure when you're logged in with the correct account. Check if the design the owner gave you has edit access, and then refresh the app by swiping it from the bottom of your screen and find the Canva app and swipe it away. This refreshes temporary glitches. Safety tip: avoid using shared accounts for sensitive designs. Quick fix: ask the owner to resend the invitation link, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.